Understanding mediation, a path to resolution. Understanding mediation, a path to resolution. Mediation is a collaborative process for resolving disputes. Mediation must have two things. 1. A neutral third-party facilitator, and 2. Voluntary participation of both parties. This presentation explores the core aspects of mediation and why it is helpful. The mediator's role. The mediator's role is to guide the conversation, ensuring a fair process. They remain neutral and impartial and cannot take sides or offer legal advice. The mediator's job is to help parties communicate effectively toward a resolution. The mediation process. During the mediation process, the parties choose to engage in mediation voluntarily. Under confidentiality rules, all discussions are kept private. And unlike court, the parties are in control of the outcome, not a judge. The benefits of mediation. Mediation benefits the parties for many reasons. First, because it is usually less expensive than litigation. Mediation can also lead to a faster resolution. And mediation can help maintain or improve relationships due to its private nature. Overall, the mediation process does what it promises. It empowers people to find their own solutions to move forward. We hope you enjoyed learning more about mediation. Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people